We're back, and the FDA may finally move now to ban red dye number 3. That's the artificial food coloring found in drinks, snacks, cereals, candies. The food dye faced a lot of controversy over its potential health risks for decades. Some research shows it can increase people's risks of developing cancer or even hyperactivity like ADHD. We should note red dye number 3 is already banned in California and much of Europe. We want to bring in Dr. Vin Gupta. Doctor, this possible move really comes as kind of at an interesting time, I should say, because President-elect Trump's pick to head the HHS is openly critical of red dye 3. If this does happen, what could this ban mean tangibly for people across the country and for the creators of these products?
Well, Tom, this is something in the lead up you had mentioned. We have known for a while that red dye number 3, there are studies showing it causes cancer in animals. There's animal studies. However, there is no proof that red dye number 3 actually causes any type of malignancy in humans. And so that's the big challenge here. If this were to be banned, this is why Dr. Califf, the FDA commissioner, is taking a thoughtful approach. If this is banned, if the FDA bans it, they will likely face some degree of litigation because there isn't human evidence, human trials evidence, that this poses a specific cancer-related risk in humans. It does so in animals. So that's the big challenge here. But to your point, we're going to be looking at a different set of leaders come January 20th, and they may view this slightly differently.
Okay, I got two questions for you. We know it causes cancer in animals, but we don't know for sure if it does in humans. So what do we do? Do we wait until somebody develops cancer? That's my first question. The second one is, if they ban it, how long would it take for that to actually take effect?
Well, my answer to your second question first is it might get stayed. So if they were to ban it, and there's likely going to be counter litigation, given the current state of the evidence, unfortunately, we just don't know, but no evidence conclusive. So it's likely not going to take really any durable impact because we don't have that conclusive evidence. So that ban could get stayed. To your first point, this is the big challenge, Tom, unfortunately, in all of medicine, not just with red dye number 3. There's often things that we think might be harmful that we just don't have the evidence to back it up. And then when it comes to public policy, you can't make it based on future-facing evidence. You have to operate in the here and the now. So this is something that I encourage every parent out there, minimize things like artificial candies and artificial dyes just entirely.
But California and much of Europe have already banned it.
That's right. That's right.
Dr. Gupta, thank you very much. Have a good weekend.